Okay, so I actually added some more stuff to it. I added this power box, has it to turn it on. You have to unlock it. I put pieces of wood, and you can't just go to the side. Yeah. I didn't really do much to it except add this power box, and you unlock it with the key. Alright. There's 2 keys, so I don't know which one is it. I kind of forgot. Alright, that took me a minute. Let's unlock it. Okay. Sorry about all the wiring. It's just that is, and I didn't want it just all over the floor, so I just shoved it in there. It's still sticking out, but it's alright. So this is it. This is the power box. No, I actually was gonna use something else, and I am. Wait, I'm gonna put this on it. Maybe tomorrow. I think it's fine for now. It should be. It hasn't tipped or anything. I need to make sure no one's around because I don't want it to scare anybody. Especially with this wind, they're probably gonna think it's actually a tornado. Holy! Alright, no people on the sidewalk, we're good. Alright, let's test it. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.